Autumn's cool weather sent an invitation for hot chocolate. So here we go. As always, we're using pure monk fruit extract as a natural sweetener. For our cocoa, we're using Anthony's organic black cocoa powder and Trader Joe's unsweetened cacao powder. In a cup, we'll add a tiny amount of pure monk fruit extract, 1 teaspoon of Anthony's black cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of Trader Joe's cacao powder. Pour some hot water. Stir vigorously. Then add a tablespoon of heavy cream. Give it another stir. If preferred, dust the top with cinnamon. One more stirring action, and that's it. Enjoy.